Welcome to my 112 turn project video. The game is called Shape Attax, and I made it using only tkinter and the PIL module for images, so there was no Pygame involved. It should be noted that I've added a pause feature and some more control so I can make this demonstration be a bit more smooth, of which I'll do most of it in the single player version of the game. Let's begin. Feature 1 is our character. As you move him, the game starts and he moves across the screen on the bottom, as you see right here. Feature 2 are these balls. Now, balls bounce around in a very real fashion, which was achieved through adding an element of physics in the game, in the sense that in my coding, we interact dy with acceleration to add more of a loop to the ball's bounce, and therefore it looks like it's really bouncing in a curved manner. Now, balls will spawn at random points and of random sizes across the map, like it did just right there. Now, that's feature 2. Feature 3 here are the game's bullets. So as you shoot a ball, bang, it divides into 2, and you gain a point. As you saw there, my score went from 0 to 1. And this keeps on going. However, if you were to shoot a ball to the point where it got so small, it would pop. And that is the ball and bullet dynamic. However, as you may have been seeing here, if a ball hits you, it will split, but it will also take one of your lives. And you keep on playing until you're on 0 lives, and that's it, that's game over. The key challenges here were ball physics, but also collisions, and to solve that, it has to track distance between the bullets and the balls consistently and other objects. Speaking of which, let's show you some other features of this game. So, there is a health kit. Health kits are produced as follows, at random points across the game, and if you were to walk onto them, you gain a life. However, if one was to shoot a health kit, it gets destroyed. And the next key feature that you can look at here are these death triangles. Now, if a triangle like this were to hit you, that's it, that's game over, as you saw right there. But if you were able to hit one of these triangles yourself, sorry, 1 second, then you can gain a lot more points, between 6 and 18 points. So right there, I'm now on 14 points due to me hitting a triangle. So, the 3 to 4 big features here are, you have these red balls that bounce around using ball physics, and split, of which there are many edge cases, so I have to code around that. But also we have these bullets that keep on tracking distance between them and other objects in terms of collisions. And then you also have health kits and triangles, which for health kits they can give you life if you walk onto them, but they don't if you shoot them. And triangles give you extra points for hitting them, but if they hit you, that's it, that's game over. And that's the base of the game. Now there are some other features you can see right here. Team multiplayer, and this is the first one we're going to look at. This is just like single player, except there's 2 of you. And in this version of the game, player 2 can move using the WASD functions, and you guys share 5 hearts and the same score. In the survival multiplayer, PvP, you both have 2 hearts each and 2 separate scores. For every 50 points you gain a life, and it's whoever can survive the longest. So for example, if player 1 here died first, player 2 wins, and vice versa. And so, that is the main idea of the game. For players who want more clarification or who are new, there's a game help section to read the instructions. It is fairly simple, and that is the game overall. To reiterate, some of the main coding challenges here were collisions and the ball physics, as well as the dynamics of having bullets, balls, health kits, and triangles. But overall, that was my game. Thank you.